Is it time to buy or sell HIMS Health Class A stock? In this video, we will explore HIMS Health Class A in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to overlook any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 29th of April 2025, our system has ranked HIMS Health Class A as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.45. Let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 46.69% since we first listed HIMS Health Class A as a buy candidate 8 days ago. This translates to an average return of 5.84% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $52.26 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline, but may also be the first indication of a shift in the trend. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of negative 25.9% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 68.64% to negative 24.66%. In terms of the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of positive 47.72% based on our calculations. The stock's performance could vary from negative 23.83% to positive 112.74% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $39.15 and $109.35. Our latest daily update for HIMS Health Class A includes the headline, HIMS Health Inc. Class A stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The HIMS Health Inc. Class A stock price decreased by 1.81% on the last day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, dropping from $52.35 to $51.40. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.41%, ranging from a day low of $50.04 to a day high of $54.75. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 82.66% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a positive indication since volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 79 million shares exchanged for approximately $4.04 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $72.98, while the lowest price was $12.07. Currently, the price is 29.57%, or $21.58, below the 52-week high of $72.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. HIMS Health Inc. is making headlines today after its stock surged by 100%, driven by a combination of robust first-quarter earnings and strategic partnerships. The company reported a remarkable 136% year-over-year growth in personalized subscribers, indicating a strong shift towards personalized healthcare. Despite some decline in gross margins, HIMS achieved significant operating leverage, marking its best quarter yet. Adding to the momentum, the strategic partnership with Novo Nordisk could accelerate HIMS' expansion in the weight loss product sector, effectively positioning the company as a formidable player in the health tech industry. The stock's technical indicators suggest a possibility of sustained short-term momentum, despite its current high valuation. In a move to fund its growth, HIMS has announced a proposed offering of $450 million in convertible senior notes, aimed at expanding its global reach and enhancing artificial intelligence capabilities in healthcare. The appointment of Mo El Shinawi as Chief Technology Officer signals a commitment to innovation, potentially driving further value for the company. The market reaction has been significant, with short sellers facing pressure as bullish sentiment prevails. With management forecasting revenue of $6.5 billion and $1.3 billion in adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization by 2030, HIMS may be undervalued by up to 62%. These developments could positively impact HIMS stock price both in the short term by attracting more investors and long term as the company continues to expand and enhance its offerings in precision medicine. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned HIMS a hold rating, recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned HIMS a mixed rating, also recommending a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned HIMS a neutral rating with a recommendation for a hold action. On Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned HIMS a sell rating, recommending a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup again assigned HIMS a sell rating with a recommendation for a hold action. Analysts have assigned HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also as a strong sell. However, for return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. The HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated Class A stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be some support from the levels at $43.60 and $32.41. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 7, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 1.81%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 75 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 7 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A. HIMS and HERS Health Incorporated, Class A, finds support from accumulated volume at $49.47. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movements throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is deemed very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.71 between its highest and lowest points, equating to 9.41%. During the previous week, the stock exhibited a daily average volatility of 14.58%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health, Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high P/E ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued, or it could suggest that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th day of August 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 15 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for HIMS and HERS Health Class A. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for HIMS and HERS Health Class A is at $52.35. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, HIMS and HERS Health Class A encounters its first support level at $49.47. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for HIMS and HERS Health Class A from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 28th of April, 2025, Boughton Saleh conducted an insider sale of 3,236 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Dudum Andrew executed an insider sale of 41,667 shares of stock option, which grants the right to buy. On the following day, Dudum Andrew conducted another insider sale of 50,000 shares of stock option. On the same day, Dudum Andrew made an insider purchase of 50,000 shares of Class A common stock. Additionally, on the 28th of April, 2025, Dudum Andrew purchased 41,667 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 32.116. Overall, insiders acquired 840,563 shares while selling 1,648,378 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $49.36, reflecting a decline of 3.97%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 86, further amplifying this risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is HIMS and HERS Health Class A stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are positive. Despite the stock being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may represent a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. However, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical outlook, we have revised our analysis from a strong buy to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we anticipate that HIMS and HERS Health Class A will open higher by 663 cents, starting at $52.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.